Welcome back again. Today's video is all about putting on those mirror caps, the M3 style mirror caps, because you already know the price of the real M3 mirrors. Yeah, I ain't spending that kind of money just for the aesthetics, you understand? So hold on a minute, let me go get the box, take it out, get this thing started. See you in a few. Alright, so these are the mirror caps, M3 style. I basically just got gloss back. Left and right. Alright, it's supposed to be pretty easy to just take this off. Basically holding it and four clips. Move you guys in a little bit closer so you can actually see. I don't know if you can see from that angle, but there's a clip here, a clip here, and a clip here, and a clip here that actually holds the whole thing. Pretty cool. Now I'm just going to put it back. Get back into the shot too, you know? That's done. Alright, take a look. Alright, so that's the first one done. Not bad so far. See what I'm talking about? See what I'm talking about? Looks good. Let me go to the other side of the car so you see. So it's not bad. So this is what we're previously working with. Gloss black M3 M4 grill. Now gloss black M3 mirror caps. Black. I don't know. I might paint them, match the car color to silver. We'll see. But we'll work with that for now. So in love with these wheels. Alright. You seen the other side. So we're gonna do the passenger side now. You know, quick speed it up a little bit. You don't gotta watch me do the whole thing. right now we're gonna work on some nice cinematics, get you nice shots, see how the mirrors look. Ooh, wow. Sunset's about to come down, looking good. Alright, that was a quick easy mod. M3 Mirror Caps are on. Give you like a video visual of what was going on. Yeah, pretty easy simple mod. Got it done quick and easy. If anybody's interested in getting some, I'm gonna put in the description a link where you can obtain them for yourself. I'm gonna have an eBay thing. I'm gonna have an eBay link there, so you can always pick up a card, prepare for yourself. You understand? Right now I think they're available in gloss black, and they do have a carbon fiber, but being that it wasn't a real carbon fiber, I wasn't really too interested in getting. But I think I'm probably gonna end up painting them the titanium silver to match the car. But for right now, I'll rock up the gloss black, see how it goes. Freaking sun is going down. I'm gonna try to get some nice shots of it before this completely get dark, so you got an idea and see what it looks like. Some shots and put on my IG, so you know, follow me on IG, D-Baddest. You get to check it out, get a closer picture. Yeah man, like, comment, subscribe, join the thing, help it. Quick easy mod, M3 Mirror Caps. Yeah, I'm digging it. I think eventually I'm probably gonna have them painted to match the car, the titanium silver. But as of right now, probably just leave with the gloss black. That works for me. Looks pretty good. So like I said, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, follow me on IG, D-Baddest. Boom. E90 Mirror Caps. Ooh, car looking nice right now. But yo, watch out, I got more things coming. Keep up with me. Subscribe. Yeah, everybody just go and keep up with the thing. You know, like, comment, share, subscribe, follow me on Instagram. Yeah, D-Baddest, same as the YouTube. Yeah, so yo, anybody have any questions, you know, you understand, leave it in the comments. Stay tuned for more videos and stuff like that. Stuff about the car, videos about me and my little adventures throughout life, you know. Wheelchair life, I say. Just because I'm in a wheelchair don't mean I can't drive a nice car. I ain't done with that minivan thing, you see me? Yo, continue liking and following. Buddies, we're out. Perfect.